Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get tokens on Trust Wallet. We'll cover adding both custom tokens and receiving existing ones. First, open your Trust Wallet application. You'll see your main wallet interface. To begin, we'll explore how to add a token that might not be visible by default. This process is straightforward and ensures you can manage all your digital assets effectively. To add a custom token, first tap the icon in the top right corner of your wallet screen. This will open a search bar. If your token isn't listed, scroll down and select Add Custom Token. You'll need the token's contract address, name, symbol, and decimals. You can usually find this information on reliable blockchain explorers. Double-check all details before saving to ensure accuracy. To receive an existing token, simply select it from your main wallet list. Then, tap the Receive button. This will display your unique wallet address for that specific token, along with a QR code. You can copy this address and provide it to the sender, or they can scan the QR code. Always ensure the sender uses the correct network to avoid losing your funds. Remember to always verify the contract address of any custom token you add, using official project websites or trusted explorers. Your recovery phrase is crucial. Never share it with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. Be cautious of unsolicited tokens or offers, as they could be scams. Always double-check the network for transactions to prevent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.